Hey, what's up guys, Jude back with another video. In this video I'm talking about Unistake.finance. So let's get straight into the video. And also before getting started to this video, if you can hit the like button and subscribe, it'd be awesome to see your great support. And let's continue with the video. So this project called as Unistake.finance, it is a really interesting project, and also all the smart contract and all the auditing stuff are completely visible, and the team is working really hard in creating this platform, and also the team is very transparent about all the audits and all their codes or any other smart contracts like that. So you can visit their smart contract section, and also you can check out their all codes. Currently these are all the contracts that they have developed, that is token contract, ISO contract, staking bonus contract, time distribution contract. These are all the smart contracts they have already developed, and you can check out the audit from here. Just click on this view audit and you can check the audit of it. So the team is really transparent. And now let's see what are the features and what are the advantages we are getting with Unistake. Provide liquidity and stake at the same time. So they are working on a feature means you can provide liquidity to the Uniswap pool and as well as earn a staking reward through it at the same time. And it is version 2 compatible, that is Uniswap version 2 compatible. Here you can see the example they have provided. As you can see, this add liquidity, select staking period. You can select the staking period of whatever amount you want, but if you cancel it before the time period, then your staking rewards will be forfeit. So make sure to stake for the period that you can afford. And also from here you can select the token. Here they have given example of X coin. Also you can check out the return that you will be getting for the length of days you have selected. So this is really easy to use platform, and it will be providing you a much better interface on how you can stake your liquidity as well. So they are currently running at ISO round 3, that is initial staking offering. So that is a really good part, that the first and second round were sold out, and they are currently headed toward the round 3. So as you can see, the countdown is already started. It will be starting after 1 day and 23 hours from now. So I'm really hyped about this, and I'm going to buy my own Unistake coins on the ISO 3, because I missed out on the round 1 and round 2. So if you still haven't bought any tokens yet, make sure to grab yours at ISO round 3, because this will be a really great platform for all the people who want to stake, who want to provide liquidity, and you want to earn passive income. So as you can see, this they are saying that it is for users, for Uniswap, for projects. User can provide liquidity on Uniswap and become more profitable than ever before. So you can provide liquidity through Unistake, and you will be getting more profit rather than just directly providing liquidity through Uniswap. And this is for all the Uniswap as well. Unistake's additional revenue stream further incentivize Uniswap liquidity providers, enhancing Uniswap's usability. For projects, projects can attract more liquidity by providing staking bonus for locking up liquidity pools. So as you can see, this they are also helping projects to grow their liquidity. For example, if I am a project owner, then I will be using Unistake to attract more liquidity by giving some additional profit for user who will be locking up liquidity in liquidity pools. So that is the advantages that we get. Here is a short video that will be explaining how the Uniswap liquidity works, and you can read out this website and the white paper. I will be giving a direct link in the description, so you can check that by your own, and you can get some additional information, and also join the Telegram group, because I am also very active and other admins are also very active. They will help you out as soon as possible if you have any doubts regarding the project. So that is what I'm like the most about this. And these are the 3 features that will increase the usability and the use case of this coin. The first is traditional, and the second is multi-stake, and the third is pool share. So these are all the features that we will be getting, that the more users the liquidity provided in a token, the more native tokens, or we can say additional reward we can get. So that is how it works. Now let's check out the tokenomics. They have a really good tokenomics and allocated funds equally and professionally. So this is the tokenomics, deflationary by nature. And also I want to add an additional point, that this token is deflationary in nature. So every transaction will be burning some sort of percentage out of each transaction. So that is also really good. Unistake token utility. So this is the token utility that we will be getting. Unistake, that is offer all the user on Unistake platform that wish to make additional staking revenue. When providing liquidity on Uniswap, trading fees earning paid by Uniswap do not change and are not subject to any fees, but in order to withdraw additional earnings made from staking, a 10% fee paid in Unistake is charged on the profit. This 10% of profit will be used for like any other same things like buyback, or you can, or they may burn in future. The revenue derived from this fees is then paid out in dividends to community member staking Uniswap through the multi-stake feature. So as I told that this 10% of fees that we are paying while unstaking will be shared with all the community members who have staked in multi-stake pool. Unistake holder are also provided with professionally staking rate when joining liquidity pool of project using the platform to build liquidity. So these are all the advantages that we are getting through it, and also it is a community driven platform. They are having a max initial supply of 280 million token, whereas there is a minimum possible initial supply of 202 million coins. So the supply is really high, but the project is also really good, and also they have mentioned a note that the total supply was increased by 9.8% since the first publication of website and prior to the development of token. So they are very transparent. They have increased the supply, and they have clearly mentioned it on the site that they have increased around 9.8% of the supply, which I like the most, because every project needs a very transparent team, because we cannot trust any other people, anonymous people out there in the DeFi space. Initial token supply, let's see how it works. The amount of token in Unistake total supply is based on the outcome of ISO, that is initial stake offering. And ISO is a custom token offering newly developed by Unistake to provide more control and benefits to the supporter. So as you know that this term, that is ISO, is been newly developed by the Unistake team, and they are providing it as a new initial coin offering type, where they have developed a smart contract which will be giving more advantages and control and the benefits to all the supporters. As I previously told you that ISO round 1 and round 2 were sold out. For ISO round 1 they have had a fixed supply of 20 million which was sold out, and for the ISO 2 round they had around 40 million tokens sold out. That is a really good amount of token they have sold in round 1 and round 2, and currently we are headed towards round 3, selling around 60 million tokens. So the price is 2x from round 1. So if you are previously invested in pre-sale round 1, then you would already made 2x from that price, because round 3 price is higher than the round 1 price. So that is an advantage of getting and joining in early. So this is how initial listing price. On completion of ISO, the smart contract automatically creates the Unistake ETH trading pair on Uniswap at pre-programmed price. The price is dependent on which day of round 3 the ISO closes. The faster the round closes, the higher the listing price and the more liquidity is locked in Uniswap. So this team is they have already done all the smart contracts, and liquidity will be locked automatically after the round 3 is sold out. So you don't need to worry about any rugging, because the team is not doing any locking. It will be automatically run through smart contract. So that is the advantages that we are getting over here. ISO round 1 5x to 10x. Round 1 token holder will see a maximum of 10x on the ISO tokens, reduced by 10% daily to each 5x each day. So that is how the advantages get early for investors. So this is the staking supply. All supporters of Unistake ISO automatically receive staking bonus of between 50 and 100% of their token holding. All of these staking bonus collectively make up the total of token that are allocated to staking supply. The final amount deposited by the smart contract is dependent on which day the third round of ISO closes. So as I told that the ISO will be closing, if the ISO closes more earlier, then the reward will be increased and the Uniswap price will be also high. So make sure to grab your tokens and make this sell out like very faster, within some minutes or like that, so you can get some more bonus out of it. So that is all about the information. You can read about more, smart contracts, audits and OTC platform, because if I cover all this, then your video will be like more 10 to 15 minutes. So I don't want to make much longer videos. So if you want some more information, check out the white paper, and also they are hiring some professional in their team, because they want to enlarge their team and want to get a word about Unistake to more and more people and help each and everyone earn through it. So that was all about this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.